little wuss. Oh my god. What? We're walking the dog. Okay.
No!
No, just walk the dog.
Don't poo on me!
Just. This dog is disgusting. Oh, you can see it too. It's a girl, right? Or it's a boy?
It's a girl. It's a girl.
Don't let she go like that. Oh, that's a girl way. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, are you gonna walk her more?
Nothing.
Yeah, you need to walk her
she has
more.
to go pee. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up, dog.
Sal, just act normal. Oh, jeez, they're coming around the garage.
Go! Brick.
No.
Get your PJs on. Guys, get your PJs on.
The dog's never gonna go to the bathroom.
Dog's never gonna go to the bathroom because you guys are out here. Maybe because you're videotaping.
No, maybe because you are not in your PJs.
They're not called PJs, they're called pajamas.
PJs, pajamas. Go put them on.
Why?
You guys are about to go to bed. Yes, you. Did you guys just hear my grandmother and your mom? They said go get your PJs on and all that because they're about to go. You guys are about to go to
Nona said we
bed.
can come out here. So,
Oh, you guys are annoying us.
we just got out here.
You're still annoying. You come out here, hey, right in front of the dog. Now, hey, how you doing? Hannah. So she
Frankie!
At least Olivia has her pajamas on. And has
Olivia does have her pajamas
her,
on.
and has her shoes on.
You know what? I'm gonna go get Frankie.
They're gonna tell on me now, aren't they?
Yep.
Come on.
Frankie.
You're dead.